Hi friends, welcome back to the Envy Wigs YouTube channel. My name is Amber and today we are going to finish up with the third and final wavy style from Envy's 2025 fall collection. This is the gorgeous Molly and probably my favorite of the three. It's really hard to pick though because they're all three amazing. Molly is the perfect mid-length wavy style. She's relaxed, she's natural, and she's quite effortless. She has these soft layers, these gentle waves that frame the face beautifully. She's just one of those styles that's easy, breezy, yet has a polished look that makes you feel put together. Of course, like the other two styles in this collection, Molly features Envy's SoSoft Lace Front and Monofilament top. That means we have this beautiful seamless hairline and the option to part this hair every which way. And even though she's got some fullness to her, she's very lightweight at only 4.6 ounces. She's as comfortable as she is pretty. Now let's talk about the lengths of Molly. Her lengths are 13.5 inches in the front and on the crown, 11 inches on the sides, and she has 9 inches at the nape. Now, just like the Amanda wig, this is your mid-length beauty that hits right at that sweet spot. Long enough to give you that length, movement, and versatility, but short enough to still be easy to manage on your day-to-day. Molly is one of those styles that you can wear everywhere. Perfect for those everyday casual moments, but she transitions beautifully for a more dressed up look. Are you heading to a wedding, to work, or just running errands? Molly, I think you can take her everywhere. Now, although all three styles have the same cap construction, that beautiful SoSoft lace front and monofilament top, I'll go ahead and show you the underside of Molly as well. Like with Donna and Amanda, Molly has that amazing extended lace front and monofilament top. You can wear the hair away from the face and it looks very, very natural. And then you can part this hair left, right, or in the middle, whatever you like. These hairs are individually hand tied and it looks like natural hair growth. You also have that open wefted cap construction with the velvet ear tabs and the extended velvet nape with the adjusters at the nape. If you have been looking for that mid-length wavy style that's easy, breezy, natural, and very versatile, Molly, she might be your next favorite. Now that wraps up our fall 2025 collection. I hope you had a fun time viewing Molly, Donna, and the beautiful Amanda wig. Three styles that bring effortless wave and unmatched comfort with our Envy SoSoft cap construction. If you haven't already, be sure to check out the full collection and find your perfect wave. Be sure to like and subscribe if this was helpful, and go follow us on our social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, we will see you guys later. Bye!